Thoughtless excuses. Thoughtless excuses till gas went up. Thoughtless excuses, they let you do it. Thoughtless excuses when McCain was torched. Thoughtless excuses when he mocked the disabled. Thoughtless excuses for a whitewashed insurrection. Thoughtless excuses when ICE ran amok. Thoughtless excuses when he pardoned for money. Thoughtless excuses for his best friend Putin. Thoughtless excuses for the Trump-Epstein files. Thoughtless excuses when he called war an excursion. Thoughtless excuses till he brought down a nation. Thoughtless excuses. Thoughtless excuses. Thoughtless excuses. Thoughtless excuses.